Have you been annoyed by your slowing computer recently? Well, let's take a moment to understand on why this thing happens. Before we'll continue, please don't miss to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for future video updates. Your subscription makes you all a more happy and inspired person. Laptop or desktop computers are considered as computer systems because they are mainly composed of hardware and software components in order to function. The computer hardware components include the tangible parts like the keyboard, mouse, and monitor, while the software components include the programs or sets of instructions like Microsoft Windows 10 and Microsoft Office applications that run the computer system. Both hardware and software components determine the efficiency of computer systems. With the hardware components like CPU, random access memory, and display adapters are of high specifications, the computer has the potential of being more efficient and faster. These high specification hardware components must have the correct versions of their software components to unleash their potentials. If otherwise, these hardware components could only perform at the limits of their software components. Now, let's take a look at your laptop or desktop computer. When you notice that as time goes by, your computer slows down as compared before, most probably, you might have issues with the software aspect. This could possibly be due to the computer viruses that you are unaware of. Computer viruses are harmful computer programs that cause harm to your computer and could even steal your data. Because viruses are also programs, they occupy space in your computer, which affects its overall performance. Now, because viruses copy themselves rapidly, your computer is having a hard time to run its own programs. Imagine yourself doing all the household chores at the same time. Well, that is how your computer is facing this kind of issue. Viruses can be transferred from storage media like USB flash drive and directly from the internet. To fix this issue, you need the following software that I recommend, which I've been using for 8 years now and they work fine for me. These software applications I recommend can be yours for free. You can also have the option to purchase licenses for automated updates and maximize the software application's capabilities. To install these software programs, you need to use a web browser. Let's start with Malwarebytes by accessing www.malwarebytes.com to download the installer. Once the installer has been downloaded, locate the installer and you can start the installation process. The time spent during this installation depends on your internet speed. Once done, you can start scanning your computer for malware programs and of course, viruses. While online, virus database definitions are updated. Take note that in the free version, you need to manually download these updates. In my experience, Malwarebytes does the job efficiently. Now, let's access www.CCleaner.com. Let's find the free version as of the moment. and let's install it. The purpose of CCleaner is to delete junk files which are no longer used by our computer system. In addition, it can clean the mess left by unwanted programs like viruses in the computer's registry. In this manner, it can help enhance the computer's performance. We can also delete startup programs that are not necessary for the operating system. SMUD-AV is our antivirus protection against potential viruses coming out from external storage drives like USB flash drives, external hard drive, and SD cards. By using all these 3 software programs, you can speed up your computer by eliminating viruses and cleaning the registry of your computer. Please hit that like button if you like this video and leave comments for suggestions that we could possibly do in the future. Don't forget to subscribe.